guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 useful Chrome extensions and websites for students that I hope will be useful to you guys, especially that we are going to the exam season. All the links mentioned will be in the description box down. So let's get started. The first one is a Chrome extension called Thyself. It's a self-care browser extension that checks in with how you're feeling every so often while you're online, with a goal of helping you to be more mindful of yourself and your mental health. I think this is great for those high-stress exam weeks where you might forget to step back and check in with yourself. So when you're checking in, it'll tell you to pick an emoji based on how you're feeling, and there are so many to choose from. And they're also customizable in the settings. Once you have picked one, you can drag it to the center, and then you can write a really quick blurb about why you chose that emoji and why are you feeling that way. You can then visit your Thyself dashboard where you can keep track of all the moods that you've been recorded. Then write down your intention for the day. Also get a lot of journal prompts to dive even deeper into mindfulness and reflection. It also has a sort of meditation feature where you can breathe along with the animation shown on the screen just to help address those times when you feel overwhelmed and anxious. The next one is a free website called Omni Calculator, which is basically a library of free calculator for almost every subject that requires some type of calculations. This is great for students who are learning new concepts or preparing for exams. For instance, the chemistry calculator. It is my favorite because it can calculate the product yields, moles, and a bunch of things. And of course, you can also search and see what the calculator comes up. So this website is really fitting for both high school students and college students of all levels. There is also a lot of statistics and math calculation, but I do want to warn you guys, if you really want to get the benefit of learning, then you should use this just as a reference. Please don't use these calculators just to get answers. Rather, use them to confirm your own work, and you'll feel a lot better about yourself when you get a question right. So the next one is Identity, which is both a Chrome extension and a website. This is one of my favorite and the one that I use more often. So basically, Identity is a website and a Chrome extension where you can basically categorize and organize all of your online bookmarks on different tiles. You can basically organize them on the basis of work, school, and any other sort of things. The next feature which it has is my favorite, which is the to-do list feature, where you can write down a to-do list. Also, when you write down the to-do list, you can also add so many things like you can add the due date of the things, you can add the website where it directly takes you to the website, and many other features. So I guess you guys should try this out yourself. I'll provide the link of this website in the description box down below, so you guys can also check them out. Also, this is completely free. The next one is another free website called Get Body Smart for my fellow pre-meds and NEET aspirants, or any other students with an interest in anatomy and physiology. It's a website that provides a very clear and crisp diagram of every human body system, and also comes up with quizzes templates to help you consolidate your knowledge. So for me as a science student, anatomy and physiology is a very visual subject. So I always appreciate colorful and delicate illustrations and diagrams of what I was learning. And Get Body Smart is exactly it. So if you're interested in any of these science health feed, then you should definitely need to bookmark this website. The last one we have is Odo, which is a Chrome extension and focus timer that features this little guy. Basically, you start the timer, and then while you're busy working away, he starts working out on the screen. You can set a timer, or you can customize your own work time and break time, and this guy will be working with you. You can block website as well as there are other features that can turn on and off. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I came up with a little different thing, so I don't know how you guys going to take. Also, I was very sick the past week and I've been procrastinating the whole week. That's why this is different.